So this is the application.
So embarrassing.
Basically, you just spawn in, and then there's gonna be a little tutorial button here that's gonna help you out. If you pick up anything beforehand, it's gonna work as well. So if I pick up a pipe, and then let it go, and then pick up here.
Okay, cool. You found the pipes, but you need the hammer as well. So I would suggest looking on the desk.
So yeah, that's quite
Great,
cool.
it looks like you found the hammer. Now just make sure you have the pipe in your hand, and then go to the wall-mounted pipe, and then place the pipe there. And to connect the pipe, just hit the 2 bolts on the top and bottom with the hammer.
There you go.
You look down on your arm. So you have 1 out of 3 pipes connected. Now connect the rest of the pipes so you can get the water into the other wall-mounted pipe to finish the level.
There you go. So if you try and throw it, it goes into the holster. It is a bit
really
buggy.
gotta speed
You
this
need
up,
to get it from
pick
the
up the
side.
pipes, and do exactly
For
what
some
you
reason
just
you
did.
can't get it all the way here, but
I
sometimes
can't
you
think
can.
it's this hard to finish a tutorial there. Just pick up the pipes, do what you just did.
You take your hammer.
You know how to finish the tutorial, so why aren't we done yet?
Then
You really gotta speed this up, pick up the pipes, and do
not
exactly
like
what
this
you just
man.
did.
He's annoying me.
Hey, you should stop doing that.
And then let me place the water.
I can't think it's this hard to finish a tutorial level. Just pick up the... That's how it's done. Well done. Now that the level's finished, go to the door that just unlocked to go to the next level.
And then you can't go all the way through. You can only go to a certain spot. And you can open the door. And it takes you to the next level.
Made it to the next level. This one seems a bit harder, but I'm sure you can handle it. Just in case though, I left you a little present. It's called a pipe cap. It's used to stop water from flowing for around 30 seconds or so. But be careful, you can only use it once per level. There's also 2 pipes to use. A corner pipe and one that goes around the pool. Well, good luck. Here's some music to cool down. Okay, cool. I see you found the pipe cap. The way the pipe cap works is you hammer in the top and bottom bolts just like a normal pipe, and then it will activate and stop the water for 30 seconds.
Yeah. So that's just the pipe cap. And it's just gonna play some music now. And if you don't wanna, if you wanna stop the music, you can press on the menu button. The sound effects can go down. I don't like all the water, so I'm just gonna put the sound effects a bit down. You can reset and quit the game or reset the game. So let's just hammer in these guys. Just take that away. Finish up this point. Then you'll hear him now talk again.
Making some good progress, I see. Just so you know, don't know how you haven't found this out yet, but you can press the menu button on your left controller to open up the game menu. Just a little tip. Carry on.
There we go. We click reset. We're gonna
Nice.
reset it. There we
Made
go.
it to the next level.
And then it resets here as
It's a
well.
bit harder, but I'm sure you can handle it.
But let me just.
Just in case though, I left you a little present. It's called a pipe cap. It's used to stop water from flowing for around 30 seconds or so. But be careful, you can only use it once per level. There's also 2 pipes to use. A corner pipe and one that goes around the pool. Well, good luck. Here's some music to cool down.
Go. Let me just put a pipe cap
Okay,
on
cool.
it.
I see you found the pipe cap. The way the pipe cap works is you hammer in the top and bottom bolts just like a normal pipe, and then it will activate and stop the water for 30 seconds.
So here's a timer that just shows that it stopped the timer. Once the timer, we can get everything here. Maybe that on that side. This over here. And it's gonna explode. Get the sound effects a bit up. It's just a bit hard to
Making
move
some
now.
good progress, I see. just so you know, don't know how you haven't found this out yet, but you can
That's a
press
small
the
bug.
menu button on your left controller to open up the game menu.
It's just
a little tip.
if you take off the pipe and you put it back on, then it just resets it. But it's fine. It's a small bug. It's not game breaking or anything. And then if we go here, we can do this one as well.
Oh my gosh,
that one in.
amazing. Ow, man, that hurts.
There we go. And then if we stand here, we can open up the door. And then here's level 3.
What a nice way to end it. Well, go ahead and finish the level. I'm just gonna jam on over here with my music.
Put it here. So this is a little different way of doing it. Put the pipe on. Yeah, hear another thing here from him.
We're so close to being done that we can go sleep on the couch and just chill.
This is the
Jam
end.
time.
And then once I do this,
What just happened? They had another room back there? Why would they do that to us? And look at the time! Oh, you better hurry up.
I'm just better at this game. I know time is okay for me. And here we go. We have the pipe back here again, so if you wanted to, just select the phone. Put that one back there. And we can see here, okay, it's just quite a distance, maybe the 3 pipes.
Ow, man, that hurts.
Go here, 10 seconds. The music's just to fill up the time, because otherwise it gets a bit soft. Right here. This one here. I'm running out of it. And if you accidentally let it go, obviously it goes back. Then here is the last one.
Against the odds. That was actually so unexpected. I did not believe in you. But, that being said, I think we should continue this show. We're doing so well together, and I think I'm a good fit for you. I think it's time we go chill on the couch and enjoy a beer together. And do not ask me how I drink beer. I just do.
Cool. So yeah, that's the whole idea with it. It's quite good. I enjoyed making the game. And yeah, it was fun. Basically, if the game ends, then obviously that's going to work as well. If the timer runs out, then it just resets the level. But yeah, other than that, that's the whole game. It's a fun game. I enjoyed making it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed playing it as well.